had a 4x8 table that I cut the top off of, and yeah, it's all rusty. I'm going to go ahead and sandblast the parts I need, but if you can see the outline here, this line here going up and then over and then round to here, I'm going to cut that out. This represents the tire, and there'll be 4 inches of tire sticking past, so I think that'll be plenty. There's 4 inches here for the band tension, so I'm going to make 2 of these, one for each side, and then I'll put a 2x2 support across the top. And then there's a table that I cut up. Here's some pipe that I'm going to use for the uprights. Of course, this pipe is going to slide into this pipe, and instead of using so many bearings, I'm just going to use 6 bearings. I'm going to cut like a foot of pipe here, and then put a bearing in 3 places on the bottom, 3 places on the top. That way I can utilize this pipe to run the saw up and down on, and it'll probably be 5 or 6 feet of length. That's how tall this pipe will be, and then these will be a foot long, to where I can run the saw on this. It's hard to visualize right now, but I've got it in my mind, and I'll be showing more later.